Welcome to my channel. Seeing a red light on your Eero Pro 6? Don't worry, here are quick and easy fixes to get your internet back. Step 1. Check internet from modem. First, check if your internet is working. Connect your modem directly to a laptop and try browsing. If it's not working, contact your ISP. Step 2. Restart Eero and modem. Now unplug both your modem and Eero router. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This simple restart fixes most issues. Step 3. Check cable connections. Make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected from the modem to your Eero. Try using a different cable if needed. Step 4. Check Eero app status. Open the Eero app and check the network status. It will tell you if your device is offline or facing connection issues. Step 5. Update or reconfigure settings. In the app, check for firmware updates or reconfigure your internet settings if required. Step 6. Reset Eero. Last option, if nothing works, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Then set it up again using the app. That's it, your Eero should be working now. Like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. For instant help call, 1-800-915-5645.